Hello everyone, I wanted to talk a little bit about Powtoon. It's a really cool tool that allows me to create videos that can be live action videos or embedded within cartoons or animation or things like that. So it's a really neat system. There's a free version and a paid version. With the free version you can do lots of nice stuff. So let's say I want to sign in. It allows me to sign in using either I can create using an email address and a password or just use my Google, Facebook, Office 365 or LinkedIn. Let's say I use my Google. So it knows it's me because it takes that information from my Google account. And then let's say I want to create a new video from scratch. Do I want to capture content? Do I want to create a video that will be used for YouTube, or a square one, which would be created for Instagram? So I don't really want a square one, or a vertical one for mobile devices. I actually want a horizontal one because they're the neatest for the example we're doing. So it'll take a minute to process, and then what it says is, what kind of content do you want to create? Do you want to create a cartoon with a kind of modern age, with a whiteboard, all not completely colored in, a comic-y cartoon look, an infographic style, or a reel using real images in it? Let's just do a cartoon. So now what we're in is an area that's almost exactly like PowerPoint. We're creating slides, but instead of static images on slides, each slide is animated. So for our first slide, we've a bunch of different scene types here: introduction scenes, concept situations. So let's just select an introduction scene or slide. So we can pick any of these except the pro ones, which we have to pay for. So let's pick this one. And this one has a map of the world, and then you can add in a title. Let's say Powtoon 1 and test. Okay, perfect. So then this scene is 4 seconds long, and if we push play, we can see what happens when this scene runs. If we want to add a new slide in, we just click blank slide here. And what scene does this need to be? Let's say it's a situation. So most of the situations you have to pay for, they're pro. Some of them are free, so I can click on this guy and see what this particular scene is. It's a scene of somebody who's got lots and lots of work to do, and they're getting frustrated with the amount of work they have to do. Perfect. Now if I want to add in another scene, before I click here, I should always remember to add in a new slide afterwards. New slide, new scene. Got it. Perfect. And what does this scene do? Let's start from the start and play this guy. What happens is, shopping cart appears, and it says enjoy your shopping. So this set of slides, or this video, we'll call it test 1, 2, 3. And I suppose we better have a quick preview of it. So it creates, yes, Powtoon 1. Then it creates our character who's getting fed up. And then it adds our shopping in. Lovely. And we've options we can do with that. Will we add in a new scene and see if there's anything non-pro that we could add in a message? Let's say not a situation, let's say a call to action. Visit us at, lovely, so we can add an address, www.powtoon.com. And let's see what that scene looks like. Perfect. Let's save that. And we can preview it, and we know exactly what it's going to look like. It's going to play out each of the slides as a separate scene. This is a very simple example. We would look at what options we have available freely to us. We can add in text in certain scenes, and we can change it around to make it look and feel however we want. Once we've created the video, then we can export it. We can share this link for somebody. If we have the professional version, we can download it as an MP4 video. We can download it as a still image or as an animated image. We can save it as a Powtoon here on the site, as a Vimo on YouTube, or download it as an animated PowerPoint. So we've got lots of options in terms of what we can do. But the basics is we've got a tool that can create nice videos for us in a really simple and effective way. So thanks very much. I hope that was helpful.